Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly and easily book Outlook appointments to projects and keep your time tracking up to date. Let's get started. Click on Time in the menu on the left. This opens the calendar. Here you can switch between day, work week, and week view. You can also adjust the time intervals and choose between different time increments. To display your Outlook appointments, enable the toggle in the upper right corner. Note that your Microsoft 365 account must be connected in the Integration Center, and you need to grant permission to read your calendar. Once the connection is established, you will see your personal calendar appointments for each day in the Outlook column. In the column to the right, labeled Tracked, you will find your time entries. At the beginning, it's a good idea to review a few settings. Using the drop-down menu, you can select a different calendar. If colleagues have shared their calendars with you and the feature is enabled in the Integration Center, you can select those as well. In the three-dot menu, you'll find additional customization options. Enable the capacity indicators to compare your tracked hours with your target hours per day. You can also define whether time entries should open automatically after creation, whether private appointments should be displayed in the overview, and whether appointment descriptions should be copied into the time entry. Optionally, booked appointments can be automatically marked with a category. To record the time of an appointment, you have several options. Click on the appointment and then select Track, or right-click the appointment and choose Track. Alternatively, drag and drop the appointment into the Tracked column on the right. Now select the project to which the time should be booked. Tip: if the appointment subject already contains part of the InLoox project number, indicated by a hashtag, matching projects will be suggested automatically. The subject, date, and duration of the appointment are transferred automatically. You can adjust the time entry at any time, for example if the meeting lasted longer than planned or if you would like to add additional information. When you're finished, simply close the entry. It will be saved automatically. Tip: you can also adjust the duration directly in the overview by dragging and resizing the time block. Here are a few additional notes. Appointments that have already been booked are displayed in green for better visibility. This allows you to immediately see which appointments have already been tracked and which have not. Private appointments or appointments that should not be billed can be hidden using the Ignore button. Of course, you can also create time entries without an Outlook appointment. Simply click the plus icon in the desired time slot, select the project, and enter the details as usual. Recurring time entries can be duplicated by right-clicking and selecting Duplicate, then moving them to the desired date and time. As a final tip to keep your calendar more organized, if you manage many appointments, you can use conditional formatting to automatically structure them with colors. To do this, click the corresponding button in the upper right corner and add a new rule. Then define the condition under which an appointment or time entry should be highlighted. For example, the name contains marketing. After that, choose a style or color. In this case, we choose purple. All appointments and time entries that match this condition will then be displayed automatically in the selected color. By the way, with our InLoox for Outlook add-in, you can also quickly and easily book your appointments to projects directly within Outlook. If you're interested, feel free to watch the related video. Do you have any further questions about this or other InLoox features? Then feel free to contact us. We'll be happy to help you quickly and easily. You can find all contact details on our website at inloox.com.